Okay.
Hi guys, today we got our new suitcase and it's black, but I wanted some else color, but it's okay, I'll just have it anyways. So first let's cut these tags. Wait! Be careful. What? Why do they always put these tags here and they're hard to cut for me? Whoa, here comes this satisfying thing. Wow, that's satisfying. Just kind of kid you. I think it's okay. Next, first
Now there are some more tags. You can peel them off.
we got a peelable one.
Does it peel?
Yeah, guys.
Ooh,
Ooh, that's
satisfying. Ooh. Excuse me.
just put on my more one time.
The front too.
So
You need to cut these two.
Wait, which one? Oh, I could do that. I could do that. Okay, these haggy takes too. These haggy takes. I'm just cutting them off. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I need to cut these back.
No, they go inside. You can just take them out from inside.
Wait,
like from
what?
here.
Wait, what? Are you kidding me? I could do that, seriously.
No, hold on. Oh.
I could do that. That's just
There is
one.
more.
Wait, what?
And you can talk about this, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna talk about this thing. It says do not eat because it's a surgical drawing agent jabos with care. So I'm gonna throw this in the garbage, seriously, because I don't eat this thing. I just throw it in the garbage. Like that's also in my canvases and I don't know. Hi guys, I'm just here back. So first we're gonna see this empty pouch thing which we cannot open, but we can close this thing like up like this, or it's just a style. So let me show you the front. So here's what this empty pouch looks like, and it's gray colored. So these zippers like zip this thing, and here's what the handle looks like.